In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to craft Steam badges to level up your profile. Imagine your Steam profile as a canvas. Now, badges are those colourful strokes that can really bring it to life, showcasing your dedication and giving you that extra flair. So let's dive right in and see how you can craft these badges in just a few simple steps. First things first, you'll need to open your Steam app. Launch it from your desktop or whichever device you're using. Steam is our portal to the fascinating world of gaming, but today we're focusing on the wonderful art of badge crafting. Once you have Steam open, you'll spot an option to log in if you're not already signed in. Navigate to the login section and enter your account name and password. Make sure your credentials are correct to seamlessly transition into your account. After you've entered your details, click on the sign in button. Now, you're all set and signed in. Once you're on the Steam homepage, everything you need is right at your fingertips. Look for your profile name. It should be located towards the top of the page. Click on it. This will take you to your personal Steam space where all things related to you happen. Now, on your profile page, there's a specific area dedicated to badges. Click on badges. This section shows you all the badges you've earned and, more importantly, the ones you're in the process of crafting. If you have been playing a variety of games, you'll likely have accumulated trading cards for several different titles. When you have collected a complete set of trading cards for a certain game, it's time to craft a badge. You'll see which games have these complete sets, as they will be clearly visible in the badges area. Select the game you're interested in by clicking the Craft Badge button. This is the exciting part where your efforts come together in a badge, which is then added to your profile. Once crafted, badges not only enhance your profile visually, but they also give you Steam XP, pushing you up in the levels. Remember, for games that you truly love, or games you've invested a lot of time in, you can actually upgrade your badge. You can do this up to 5 times by collecting more sets of trading cards for the same game. Each upgrade will enhance the badge, making your profile look even more prestigious. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, not only do you enrich your Steam experience, but also level up your profile in a fun and engaging way. Thanks for sticking with me through this guide. Now go ahead and give it a try on your own Steam profile.